to be able to hide subscriber accounts. So basically, to check on that, you have to go to YouTube, then go to settings. Actually not there, just go to YouTube Studio. So after clicking YouTube Studio, it will open a studio version for you. So just a minute now. So for example, this is around a month old channel. It doesn't have a video actually. I think this is the first video it has. So for example, in the settings side, go to settings, then go to channel. So if you check on the advanced settings, this is where we use it to have the options to be able to hide subs here. But to our surprise, YouTube did that thing. They said your account should be able to be viewed how many subs it has. So it is not possible actually to have that feature in YouTube in 2024. Bye. I hope this information had assisted you.